The youth are being challenged to embrace the Digitruck, which is a mobile digital classroom powered by Huawei, to gain cutting-edge digital education. Huawei Director of Government Affairs, Adam Lane, says by providing hands-on learning experiences, the Digitruck initiative bridges the digital divide in rural regions and empowers youth with the tools to thrive in an increasingly digital world.
The Digitruck program that was established in 2019 has to date trained over 6,030 youths across 36 counties. The curriculum under the Digitruck program places emphasis on practical skills and online safety, including how to protect personal data, identify scams, and navigate the internet responsibly.
We as Huawei, we're happy to be having the Digitruck go around the different counties across the country. As Martin mentioned from CFSK, we started this Digitruck in 2019. We started from Nandi County, and so far we've gone through 38 counties to be exact, and we've trained more than 6,200 students across the country.
Len made the remarks at Uriri Vocational Training Center in Migori County during the graduation ceremony for 210 youth who successfully completed their Digitruck training program. He said the Digitruck program focuses on empowering communities, fostering innovation, and equipping the youth to tap income-generating opportunities in the digital space.
Well, first of all, I'd like to congratulate all of you for being able to go through the Digitruck training. The 1 month that the truck has been here, I'm sure it's been beneficial to you, going through the different modules of training, basic computer training, all the way to online safety, entrepreneurship, and a bit of that.
Digital skills are increasingly being adopted as pathway to online gigs. Sylvia Gatti, reporting for Prime Edition.